Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love read now. Let's see what's going on in your love life now, Cancer. How you're doing, how your partner's doing, and what are the energies that are aligning between the two of you. And these are general, sorry. These are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. With that said, let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. So, Cancer, before we begin, we're going to take our angel blessing card. Let's see what blessing, guidance, advice, or a message that my angels are going to send for you. So, my angels for Cancer, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. This one. All right. Let's put this here, Cancer. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Cancer, is love. What a beautiful card to come out for a love reading. So you get I don't know why this card is here. We'll figure it out, won't we, once we see the cards. So that's your card, the card of love. Okay, so let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your beautiful comments, your likes, your support to the channel. I'm very blessed. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's begin. Newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And for the duration of the reading, I will be referring to one side as person A, this side is person B. You'll know which side you resonate best with, right? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Bottom of my deck, I have the Sun card, but it's in reverse right now, Cancer. But the Sun card is always happy. I mean, it's never a bad card. So either you're very, very, very happy or you're happy. So I think that's what it's all about. The Sun card in reverse is never a bad card. So let's open your cards and see why you are just happy. Temperance, Eight of Cups, the Emperor, Queen of Cups, Six of Wands, and the Eight of Wands. Okay, let's see person B. Page of Cups, Four of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Four of Cups, Ten of Wands, and the Nine of Cups. There is trouble in paradise here, Cancer, at the moment. Not too much trouble, but there is trouble, yes. I do see something that's gone a little imbalanced here. Somebody's walked away or is walking away. There is somebody who wants to, maybe was wanting to take control, take charge, but right now feeling rather embarrassed and not being able to communicate with their partner here. This could be the masculine energy. For person B, of course, I'll clarify these cards, we'll get a better picture. But on person B's side, they either haven't got an apology till now, yes, because nobody's communicating right now, so they haven't either received apology or given up apology. This person B is holding back right now, but still kind of keeping a watch on person A. They're still stalking person A, they're still waiting. When will this get over? When will this silence get over? They want this heavy burden to go down now because they are also not happy, to be honest. Okay, so let me take three cards from the divine masculine to the feminine here. Let's see what they want to say. Okay, when I say masculine to the feminine, I don't mean man to the woman. Okay, masculine and feminine are just energies. So imagine if this was like a reading for two people of the same sex. Even they would one would embody more of their masculine side, be the more, in control and getting things done and being out there. And the person embodying the feminine side would be the more emotional, the more nurturing, the softer one. So that's what means by masculine and feminine. And you'll figure it out. You'll figure out where you are. So masculine spirit, what the masculine would like to say something to the feminine. Masculine to the feminine spirit. Okay, thank you. Let's take 3 from the feminine to the masculine. Thank you. And I'm also going to take some true confessions here just to make sure what's really, really going on deep within. Okay, so 3 card spirit of confessions here as to how they truly feel. Thank you. All right, so let's start with the divine masculine here. The first card says, Cancer, you make me so nervous. Sometimes it's hard to breathe. I do see somebody here, a masculine, who wants to behave like they are in control, be in charge, but somewhere they don't have the confidence here to even communicate right now. You make me so nervous, sometimes it's hard to breathe. Second card says, I can't handle you not being in my life forever. For now, but not forever. So even though somebody has walked away from this masculine's life, they are missing their feminine, who has kind of turned their back on them. They are feeling quite nervous, foolish, or like they lost, not being able to communicate, but they can't handle the thought that they'll never be with their feminine once again. Next card. Don't let my arrogance fool you. I feel unworthy. Like I said, this person is trying very hard to behave or be the emperor upright. But in actuality, they feel a little nervous. They feel like they don't have the confidence. They feel almost embarrassed at maybe communication with their feminine now. So this is just an act. Cancer, feminines, if you're here, this masculine, this for them, it's just an act of whatever they're doing. Heart of hearts, they don't have the nerve right now. So let's see, feminine. You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the way these cards are coming out. This one is scared and this one's saying, hey, listen, I'm scared too. Out of all those cards, you saw how beautifully these 2 cards have kind of synchronized. You're not the only one that's scared. This connection scares me too, says the feminine. Imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing. What? I imagine the type of person you'd want to be with, and that person is nothing like me. So there is a little bit of nervous energy on the feminine side as well. They feel, oh my God, am I good enough for this emperor? And the emperor is feeling, oh my God, I'm nervous about the feminine here. So feminine saying, I always think that, you should be, the masculine will choose this kind of person, that kind of person. I'm nowhere near that perfect person I think they choose for themselves. So there's nervous energy in both sides. I pray for you all the time and do healing work on your behalf. That's sweet. Okay. Let's take some true confessions as well. Soon I plan on returning. Hope it can work this time. Manifesting myself so I can be good enough to win you back. Both of you are feeling so shy and insecure of not being good enough for the other. It's unbelievable. I'll always remember you. You are unforgettable. So the love is there. Yes, the love is there. Both feel that this is their happiness, but don't feel good enough to maybe have it right now. What is required, I think, right now, Cancer, is both of you to not keep secrets and be honest with each other. So let's start clarifying these cards and see what's coming up here. So, Temperance in reverse, Spirit. Why is this imbalanced right now? Things are not balanced right now because the Emperor has lost his Empress at the moment. The Empress, I think, has walked away right now, not knowing whether they, the masculine even wants them. Maybe the masculine didn't put in show enough work. Maybe they went another direction. Maybe they didn't put in enough work. Maybe they did not bring healing to this connection. So I think they've kind of now lost this feminine, but they do want to appear as if they are in control here. This Emperor now feels that this feminine is very angry with them, very upset with them, does not love them anymore, and things have really, really stalled for the time being at least. They feel a bit embarrassed, ashamed of their actions now. They maybe couldn't show their emotions on time, I feel. For person A, who I think is the masculine energy, they couldn't kind of say the things that they really wanted to say. They kept their emotions a little hidden. They tried to behave like a strong person, or inside they were nervous, I think, big time nervous, and they couldn't articulate, they couldn't show their emotions or something, and whatever they needed to say, I think, was not said, and that's what brought this injustice or imbalance into this connection. Now I think they are missing their feminine because the feminine has walked away, even though, yes, they feel they've lost their strength because they feel their feminine's probably gone off for a fresh new beginning somewhere else now, and they don't know what to say, how to say it. They, heart of hearts, I think, want to start something new once again with their feminine and maybe even offer commitment now. Okay? Let's see, person B. Page of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this person hasn't yet received any message of love. They haven't received that sorry. They haven't received any offer of sweet nothings, because this masculine feels they've lost their chance and they're too embarrassed, or maybe they don't have the words to they don't know how to win their feminine back now. And the feminine here, I think, is feeling totally abandoned now, left out in the cold, not received an apology yet. So they feel that their masculine is holding back from them. They are waiting, though. They are waiting. If masculine, if you are seeing this reading, they are waiting somewhere. They're holding back, but they're still waiting that maybe one day, this masculine will come my way. They are stalking the masculine. They are, the person B is watching, looking, spying, hoping, thinking, when will this bad times be over now? Because there's so much love here. There's so much love here on person B's side. This card, see, love, love, love. Love is here. Four of Cups, Spirit, in reverse. Four of Cups. Four of Cups in reverse. Person B really feels that, we should end this fight now because I'm lonely. I don't know, I don't know whether masculine is lonely. I think if we don't kind of get back to each other, we are both going to be losers. Isn't it better that we kind of just get back together and have a reunion here? This person B is hoping for that. They want to let go of all this burden that's come upon this relationship. They are not happy either. Ten of Wands. Yes, they feel whatever has happened has kind of backfired. And nobody is really happy here. Both thinking that the other person doesn't want them anymore. But person B is waiting. Person B is still waiting, battered, bruised. They're not giving up. They're not giving up. They are still waiting, hoping that there is some kind of chance here to restart this again. Even though they're not emotionally happy right now, they're willing to give it one more try, one more shot. This person B is not happy only for this reason, because there is no communication. Now this person A hasn't communicated, right? They're holding back their emotions because they are feeling embarrassed and ashamed or whatever they're feeling, even though they want to come towards person B. Now person B has not received any information or any news from person A. They are not happy at all about this. They are in their mind or heart, they're feeling that maybe their partner has already released them. So there is miscommunication going on here, I think. The Fool, all right, fresh new beginning, 9 of Wands, and the Justice card in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? What's the Fool card? Even though I think both of you want this new beginning, this breakup has been a big tower moment for the two of you. There is somebody here on person A's side who's now having a lot of regrets. They feel they have had bad luck, they have bad karma. Maybe they assume and presume that person B is off to maybe a fresh new beginning in their life, and this has become like a big tower moment which has hit both of you, I think, now. So, yes, now I think both are feeling the pain of this relationship breaking, because it wasn't balanced. There was no equal partnership. There was no equal give and take. Maybe there was hiding of emotions here, or one person, both actually hiding their true emotions from each other. Okay. 9 of Wands, Spirit. 9 of Wands in reverse. Heart of Hearts, I think both of you want to drop the fight here. Both of you want to drop the fight. You're both not wanting this relationship to end. There's a big fear of change, of this dynamic. Both of you trying your hardest, though not talking to each other, but still holding on. Both absolutely not talking to each other. Yes, the feminine here, I think, is looking for answers before they can do or say anything, but the masculine is in so much regret and sorrow and upset that they're not even seeing that there is a chance with the feminine here. So, yes, right now Justice is in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Justice card in reverse? Because there's stagnancy right now. Things are not coming back into balance. Somebody needs to stop overthinking this connection, stop being imprisoned. I have the Sun card again in reverse here. Both are feeling stuck. I think both praying here. This person is almost like, they got their arms folded and lying alone here. This looks like a church or something. So it's like somebody is praying hard for something to come back together. And both feeling stuck here. Both knowing that you both are each other's sunshine, but not feeling the heat from the sun right now. Okay, so the love is there. The love is there. That's all I have for you right now, Cancer. Let's see what happens next. I'll meet you now on Saturday. Till then, for your love bite. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.